Your weighing scale can be repaired. If your weight scale or laboratory balance is broken, displaying error codes, or has constant weight fluctuation, the scale likely needs to be repaired. However, one consideration that you need to determine first is the cost factor. Whether you searched online for scale companies near me, or you already work with a trusted scale company, the cost to repair a scale can vary from less than $100 to much, much higher. It's a good idea to know upfront what kind of expense is expected in your particular situation. If your truck scale is broken and needs to be repaired, you will more than likely move forward with the repairs, since it would cost you a lot of money to replace it. However, if you bought a low-price scale on the internet for less than a couple $100s and it fails, you might throw it away and not repair it, since the labor charge and replacement parts will likely be more than the cost of the scale. Industrial weighing equipment is designed to work for many years, ideally. However, occasionally electronics will fail. So you might be wondering, why did my scale break? The answer to this question can vary. If it's a truck scale, sometimes lightning can cause problems. Sometimes equipment can be damaged by rodents. Other times, perhaps the equipment was overloaded. Maybe one of your second shift employees did something to break the scale, and now nobody knows what happened. Finally, sometimes equipment just simply fails over time. No one can prevent failures all the time, but it's a good idea to have your local scale company check your scales periodically. Experienced scale technicians will see your scale equipment at regular intervals and can make any scale repair and calibration recommendations. If you actually set up a service agreement with your scale company, many times you also save money on service rates or any emergency breakdowns too. I hope you liked today's video. See you next time.